Hello and welcome to Brecht Caravan in Heilbronn, Germany. I have here to show you this Carado fully integrated i447 motorhome edition 15, and in here I'll show you around 740 centimeters long, 232 centimeters width. So you've got this fantastic panoramic salon, living room, semi-dinette. Above it you've got a big double bed, and as you'd expect there is storage all the way around, and a lot of storage at that. And also look at the amount of clearance inside. Here we have a kitchen, a corner kitchen, 3 burners, lots of space, sink, storage below, and storage on this side, which is really deep. The drawers here are the same as used throughout the Hymer Group in all the companies, except I think for Niesmann Bischoff. On the other side we have a freezer and a fridge with storage below. Coming to the rear, we've got the shower here with a separate toilet on the other side. There we go. Now here we can close off the bedroom from the toilet by using a curtain here, though of course we could also close the doors if that's what we want to do. German layout at the back. This bit here comes out, that cushion will go down here, storage under the beds at both sides, and a ledge at the sides, storage at the back, and a skylight up there. So have a look. The door has got a window in it and a mosquito net to keep them pesky mosquitoes out. If I come around here, show you this, we have this rather large garage as well, and look at the size of that, absolutely enormous. You get a number of bicycles in there. The bicycles that don't go in there can go on the back there instead. A large door on this side, but not as large as the one on the other side as well. So there's a very quick overview of this motorhome from Carado, and so if you're interested there will be a longer video on it, but for the moment thanks for watching, and I did that video under 3 minutes.